We're here for the Southwick National. This is Hunter Lawrence's Factory Works HRC Honda getting cleaned up after practice. Woo! What's going on, brother? How'd you do in qualifying? How was your time, lap time?
Good on P4.
Nice, nice. How about Jet? How'd Jet? P3, awesome, awesome. The sands of Southwick. Can't wait to see you guys out there.
4 and 5.
4 and 5. Way to go.
3 4.
3 4. The bikes look amazing, man. Keep up the good work, man, and good luck today. These guys are the best motocross mechanics on planet Earth right here. That's what you're looking at. Don't get any better than this. Works HRC factory. Hell yeah. Joe Shimoda's HRC factory Honda Progressive. Check it out. Joe's kicking ass in the 250 class. Factory Rockstar Energy Husqvarna. These bikes are beautiful, man. Love the white, black. Just stunning machines, man. Beautiful setup, man. A lot of work. Tyler Morgan's bike. Guys, this is the AEO Power Sports Factory Semi KTM Factory Works team here getting it done at Southwick. The sands of the Wick. Hell yeah. That's Gizmo Racing here. What's going on, brother? How you doing?
I watched one of your videos.
Oh yeah? Thank you very much.
I'm like you, CR500 addict.
Hell yeah, you're a big dude. You need a CR500.
My 87 CR500 was my best, and the 86 XR600 I bought from Popley's was my favorite.
Love it, love it.
Watched all your videos, man.
Have a great day. Guys, this is Troy Lee Designs Ducati factory rig right here with Justin Barsha. Ganassi Racing, Troy Lee Designs Ducati Corsa factory rig here at Southwick in the stands. Barsha always rips here.
Okay. I guess
Got the McGinley Clinic Club MX rig here. Semi-privateer Yamaha team. Getting it done. This is a Triumph factory racing rig right here. I was more impressed with this rig than any other rig in the pits when they first bought this thing here. I think this is their second or third year with it. This is a brand new Federlite trailer that they had fully custom built for racing, and it is freaking badass, man. I think they spent like $2 million on this rig. Any trailer that has that logo on there, Federlite, custom built, they're big money. Our Yamaha factory racing rig right here. Check it out. Pretty badass. Got the Tucker Yamaha Racing Fly Racing Toyota Redlands rig. Stay tuned for some good racing. Thanks for watching and God bless America. Please hit the like and subscribe if you like this content.